Hi, this is my final video in this course. Hope you will watch this video and learn how to make LED bulbs to this video. Share how to make this LED bulb in your own brand and what are different possible ways you can sell your product. So if you want to make a product in your own brand, remember the first thing you should do is find a very catchy name and just register a trademark. So once you register a trademark, get the name and you can start using name your bulbs. So a different way to use it, when you just buy and purchase housing, when you just buy a housing, you can ensure from the company, the third party, that you will just print your brand name in the housing itself. So the housing itself. So next one is, so by that you can just start this LED bulb manufacturing in your own brand. Once the bulb is manufactured, please ensure you just purchase, design very good cover so that people get attracted. And if you want to reach international market, it's good you apply for some certification program, get it certified, and so that the brand name of the bulb will get increased. Apart from it, the different possible way you can sell is you can sell in your local market. You can sell in your local market. You can do Amazon listing. You can sell your product in e-commerce website like Amazon, Flipkart, and there are various other e-commerce sites where you can sell your product. So initially, to reach to the market, please do some promotions and ensure you just use a good quality, because once people find your product is not a good quality, we are not going to survive in the market. So please, my personal suggestion is to go for tire-based LED bulb, implement it, and just try to sell your product. Wish you all the best. Hope you will start an LED bulb in your own brand and you will sell in the market. Thank you. If you have any queries, please do comment so that I can help you out. Thank you.